Floatbro Motor Floaties are marketed as motorized inflatable floats that let you cruise around pools, lakes, and other calm waterways with minimal effort. The ads make them look fast, fun, and easy to control, but the real question is, are they worth your money? Now, to be fair, motorized inflatable floats are a legitimate product category and can provide a unique way to enjoy calm water when used as intended. What it does well: fun recreational experience. It offers a different way to relax and explore calm waterways compared to a standard inflatable. Portable design. The inflatable construction makes it easy to transport and store when not in use. Where the hype falls apart: it's not a high-performance watercraft. Despite the marketing, it won't deliver the speed or handling of a jet ski or motorboat. Battery life is limited. How long it runs depends on factors like speed, rider weight, and water conditions. Inflatables require proper care. Sharp objects, rough surfaces, and improper storage can damage the material. So, should you buy Floatbro Motor Floaties? Short answer: yes, if you know what you're buying. If you're looking for a fun, portable way to enjoy calm water, it may be worth considering. But if you're expecting a powerful personal watercraft, you'll probably be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.